All right, Dr. McGrath, well, thank you so much for answering these questions that I and many of my viewers have. If you're interested in following the FUE procedure that I will undergo tomorrow with Dr. McGrath, we'll have links in the video descriptions, and we'll have pictures and video up on my blog. So, Dr. McGrath, thank you very much for taking the time to answer these questions.
You're more than welcome, and just in closing, I'd like to reiterate to your viewers and the individuals that are following you that, as I said, I think is very commendable what Lance is doing. As I said, he's doing this on his own dime. He's not paying me to do this. I'm not paying him. But whenever I find somebody that is passionate about hair and wants to get information out to people who need it, I like to help out in any way that I can. So I commend him for that. And looking forward to the surgery tomorrow. I think it'll be interesting to film some of this and give you guys a bird's eye view of what we do with FUE and how we can use FUE as an effective tool to attack a very specific problem. And I think it'll be pretty clear when you see the video how we do that.
All right, can't wait.
All right, thank you, man.
Thank you.